it snows.
I know, right?
I can't wait till Christmas break too, you know?
Yeah, like to go sledding and stuff.
I know, it'll be so fun. No homework. Oh, it'll just be the dream.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
We're finally home. Let's play.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go eat something. Hey, Caroline.
Hey, Piper.
Now what should I eat? Ooh, a candy cane. Perfect. Wait, that's my candy cane. Is that a challenge? Oh, you bet it was. Oh, it's on. Fight, 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 fight. And the winner is Isabel. No!
I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get something to eat. What should I eat? Cool, a candy cane. I'm definitely having that. That was so good.
Where's my victory candy cane?
Oops.
Fight, 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 fight.